All right, so this is day 3 of my own personal kind of journey through my rotator cuff surgery and rehab or recovery. Day 3 meant that I got to go to the doctor and take off that big Hulk packaging, I'll call it. These are the marks that I kind of want to take a look back at as maybe the weeks progress, even some of his Sharpie marks still before the surgery. I didn't have dissolvable stitches because my body doesn't dissolve stitches very well typically. I've learned that from other surgeries. So I go back in 2 weeks to get these out. So normally you wouldn't have these stitches still in there if you can see them. I did sleep better last night, so I kind of want to put that on record. I did sleep great, so I kind of want to look back and say, hey, a victory's a victory. Slept about an hour at a time in my recliner as far back as I could. Maybe my longest was 2 hours straight, and then I think that happened like 3 or 4 times. So maybe a total of 5-6 hours between last night and this morning. So that's better. My pain level is down to about a 6, maybe 5, but I'm still taking all the pain meds. Everything they've given me, I continually take on track. The other thing that's kind of cool is I get to take a shower today, so I'm excited to try out this sling that was recommended by somebody else who went through rotator cuff surgery. That in the shower, you don't have to wear a sling, but to kind of remind yourself, don't use your arm, and to keep it secure, I'm going to try that out. I hope it works great. Excited to actually take a shower. The other thing would be icing. I've still been icing a lot to keep the inflammation down and just for pain too. And just trying to stay hydrated and eat well too. So I think those are the big things. I got to go to the doctor. They got this taken off. I got to kind of see his little artwork left from the surgery. Excited that I don't really have a lot of blood pooling anywhere or any bruising or anything. And these stitches have to come out 2 weeks because I don't dissolve stitches, so they'll come and take those out. And then I'm excited to try my sling, and I did sleep a little better. I'm actually anxious for one of these videos where I'm gonna say, hey, I slept 8 hours straight, but that's not gonna happen for a while. And not in a recliner. But I'll take what I can get right now. And yeah, so day 3 is looking better. Not great, but definitely better. When I compare this to having a kid, I think actually my mom was the one who said that it's like having a baby. You're up every couple hours and you just get to sleep where you can. I do have to wear this for 6 weeks, and I shouldn't be driving also for 6 weeks. So hopefully that's going to be another tough thing to find a way to get to here and there if I go back to work in a couple weeks. All right, I'm going to stick with my motto of being patient and positive with myself, and I hope if you watch these because you're going through it, do the same, and just keep on smiling, and hopefully day 4 will be even better. Good luck.